ways you can restore back your stolen destiny. Number one, returning to your faith. Whether you are a Christian, a Muslim, or you follow traditional practices, the best step to take is to reconnect with your faith. Return to God. Reconnect with what serves you the best. You can do that by reading your Bible daily, or your Quran, or by performing rituals, daily rituals, traditional rituals. That will strengthen your faith. It will keep you going. It will keep you pushing forward. So in doing that, you will need to be praying consistently and honestly. You will need to ask for guidance, for clarity and restoration. And you also need to be active in studying your Bible or in reading your Quran. Ask for inner guidance. It will help to strengthen and rebuild your faith and connect with your purpose, connect with your chi. Number two is self-reflection. See, what seems to be spiritual attacks can be as a result of bad influence, can be as a result of wrong decisions, can be as a result of the environment you find yourself. Then maybe you will conclude that is a spiritual attack. So you need to adjust your personal decisions, change the environment that you are, or better still, adjust the way you think. Your thinking can also affect your motive, can also affect your destiny. So always learn to think positive and not negative. Number three, breaking negative cycles. See, if you have noticed repeated patterns, repeated situations, try to amend it, or better still, leave the scenario. Like things that happened before that you don't like, don't wait for it to happen again. Walk away from that situation. Don't let that thing become a habit of occurring and reoccurring. It will affect your destiny. It will make you feel stuck, and you feel that your destiny has been stolen or lost. So take note of that. It is very, very important. Change your routine, avoid bad influence, learn new skills. Those things can help to improve on your destiny fulfillment. 4. Positive speaking. Speaking positive of yourself can help reconnect with your destiny, can help strengthen that force of you making it in life. Always say, I am progressing. Always say, I will be great. Always say, it is not over. I must achieve my purpose. Keep going. Don't say, my own is gone. There is nothing that will come out from your life again. It is very bad, because those words are the things that your brain is hearing. Maybe anytime that you wanted to rise up and do something, but due to the words that you are hearing, the feeling itself, it will make you depreciate. To make that urge, the zeal for you to stand up and try new skills. Maybe that skill that you want to try is the skill that you would have do better, but because you are giving yourself the impression that you you will not make it, then you'll be down for there, you'll be down there, and that might be the end. You understand? Always be positive in your thinking and in your speech to help to strengthen your purpose. All right, in case you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe so that videos like this will keep coming to your table. And also comment, like. You understand? Science ways number 5. So number 5, surround yourself with spiritual mentors, your spiritual leaders, spiritual directors, those that knows how to deal with spiritual aspects, spiritual things, spiritual firms. Always surround yourself with people that have spiritual positive that have positive influences, and not people that weigh you down or that brings fear to you or that creates negativity. There are people that if you are with them, what they will be saying with their mouth, if you are hearing it, you will be like, God, you will be dead within yourself. You will say that your own is gone. Surround yourself with people that has the positive vibe. That's all I'm saying. In fact, 6 ways of how we can restore back your stolen destiny is let go of fear-based belief of always saying that your destiny was stolen or that your destiny has been taken by another person. That will only create fear to you. It will only create you to be down every time. Each time that you remember that, it will remove you from the right track. If you have been connected, it will shift you away from that force that was keeping you to keep moving. It will redirect you. So walk away and leave that fear-based belief. Don't believe such a thing. Rather, reassure yourself, reassure your intentions. Like, make positivity of yourself. Let it be factual to you that there is nothing stolen from you. You are still yourself. You understand? Ways number 7, lastly, take action. So, among all these things that I've listed, your actions matters and it crowns it all. Your actions towards everything in life is the final step of you achieving anything that you want. If you want to buy motor and you are not making any steps, you are not taking any way that can make you to buy that motor, it means that you will end up buying it in audio form. So because what you want is what you work for. Take actions. Stop procrastinating. Do work. If you want to go anywhere tomorrow, stand up that tomorrow and go it. Don't listen to what people might be saying or what you feel might happen. Just take actions. Whatever is the result, you tackle it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you all. Bye. Stay positive nevertheless.